Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to manually backup a WordPress website on Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the WordPress websites that you want to take a manual backup of, click on the dashboard button. Now go to Files and select File Manager. Now click on Access Files of your website of your WordPress website's domain. A new page opens up. Don't worry, this is just the File Manager app on Hostinger. Now double click this public HTML folder and you will see the available files and folders of your WordPress website. Now to manually take a backup of this WordPress website, it's simple. Just click on the first folder or file like that and scroll down to the bottom and hold Shift on your keyboard and click on the last file or folder on this list. This way you will select all the files of your WordPress website. Now click on any file or WordPress using the right button of your mouse like that and select Archive. Now before selecting this zip format, make sure to name your archive or your compressed folder or compressed file without any dot in the beginning. For example, we will call it WordPress backup or WordPress files backup to be specific, and click on zip to start the compression process. And just like that, we have the manual WordPress files backup. To download it to your computer, simply click on it and click on download. And as you see, the WordPress files backup is created and uploaded and downloaded to your computer. Now let's see how to make or how to take the manual backup of our WordPress database. Let's go back to the Hostinger dashboard, go back to databases and click on management. And if you're like me, you have multiple databases and you don't know which one is responsible or connected to your site, simply go back to the file manager, then locate this WP config file. Now double click this WP config file to open it. And look here next to database username, or not the database username, look for just DB name or database name. Let's copy this name and here search for this database name. And this is the database that is connected to your website or to this website. Click on enter phpMyAdmin. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And this is the database that is connected to your website or to this website. Click on enter phpMyAdmin. A new page opens up. Now this is your database tables, and to download it to your computer or to take a backup, a manual backup of it, go to export and click on export button. And this is your database. Let's look. This is the database file. It ends with .sql, and this is the manual backup of the WordPress files. Let's double click it to decompress it. And these are your WordPress manual backup files. And this is how to manually backup a WordPress site on hosting. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.